Okey, berangkat ho kaki. Tak kasih.
Nasib lah.
Boom, dah go.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my best to move along. Push myself to the past, die with no regrets. Live with every breath.
Ngon dek anak lepas bokol. On call. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mas Bro, di sini saya sudah tersesat bersama rekan-rekan saya sekalian.
Banyak orang bodoh semua.
Lihat sekeliling saya, cari kebun stroberi dapat kebun kopi wise.
Harus jalan kaki. Samui.
Ayolah. Untung ada pohon dah. Becek. Kak dari mana, Kak? Kak sebelah kanan, Kak. Pilihlah sebelah kanan, Kak. Astagfirullah.
I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm
Untung ada pohon dah.
I don't want no fake love.
Okay guys, thang ni guys.
Everybody listen to
Thang
me,
guys.
'cause I'll only say it once. I'ma show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'ma show
Minuman
you
keras.
where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back.
Miras.
'Cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one. Think you never heard until rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun.
Dek, jangan
I'm just shooting till I fun. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do.
Merah boleh. Merah mal. Oh, no anak-anak. Dia anak-anak ni. Ai lumbe hari. Cok, bodoh amat. Persyaratannya petik makan sepuasnya.
Okey. Yang bayarin?
Bagus lah.
Taki.
Dia buka gol ni.
Taki kahek.
Adik, mana adik?
Abang nampak dengan sendirinya.
Akak.
Ya, kami udah persiapan mau ke Pantang Terong.
Welcome to
Objek wisata Pantang Terong. Lumayan zen ini.
Kira ini. Ya iyalah. Ngeng. Kahana apa dia nya? Untuk kapugahana alai kapugahana budi. Magah udah. Terima kasih. Cukup mantap.
Oh, cukup mantap sekali.
Welcome. Pantang Terong.
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey.
Oke.
Tiba-tiba
Katro birun.
halo bro.